Afternoon. Hey, it's me. I just want to talk real quick about our Shine makeup removal wipes. I know most of us, or sometimes we don't always have time to wipe off all our makeup, or we're in a hurry, or we're in a rush, but as most of us know, some of our makeup, especially if you're not using Younique, has chemicals and oils in it, so of course it's not good for your skin, especially if it gets into your pores. So with that being said, our makeup wipes come in a pack of 36 for $20. They have vitamin E, rosemary, sunflower oil, and rosemary. Did I say rosemary? I think I said rosemary in it. So I'm going to show you how great they work. This is a black Sharpie marker. Yes, black Sharpie marker. So I'm going to draw on my face. And again, like I said, black permanent marker. So I'm going to remove the wipe. Dun, 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 dun. Again, this is a black permanent marker. And again, you can see I have our Pompous lip liner on. Go ahead and take that off. So I have removed, for the most part, most of my makeup within a minute. I guess I can go ahead and do my whole face. Black marker, red lip stain. I mean, not lip stain, I'm not wearing lip stain. Pompous lip liner is what I had on. Gone. Now, can your makeup remover do that? Give me a call, 559-3031. Again, $20, 36 wipes, a bargain. Have a great day.